Can your friends do this? Can your friends do that? Can your friends pull this? How their little hat? Can your friends go boom? Yeah, yeah. So don't just sit there slack, top buggy. I'm here to answer all your midday prayers. You got me bona fide and certified. You got a genie while you charge your fare. I got a bottle full of herbs to help you out. So which you wish I really wanna know? You got a list that's 3 miles long, no doubt.